Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you are here. I am about to do a swap, and I wanted to share this project before I go ahead and mail it off. And I just want to say that this is something that is really fun and easy to make, and I hope that this inspires you to create one. Here is what is called a library pocket, and it is created with a 3x3 piece of paper. I'm sorry, a 6x6 sorry, a 6x6 piece of paper, and it has three pockets, and here's the second one, and here's the third one. And this tutorial I actually got from Michelle, who is Pink Strawberries, so I will make sure to link that down in the description below. But oh my gosh, this is, like I said, so fun and easy to make, and this, even though it's small, it holds so much. Let me show you everything that I'm about to include in here. I am including these borders right here, and each one measures about 4 inches, and then this right here is about I would say maybe 3/4 of an inch, and it does have some little hearts, and then so does this. So the theme of it is Valentine's Day, and so I thought this would be really great to include in here. So that's going to be going out in the back. I am also including these ruffles right here, and I did get the die from KS Crafts. I don't know if they have it in their Amazon shop, but you can find it on the AliExpress website. Here are some doilies that are also going to be included in there, and each doily measures about 2¼ inches, and this did come in a set from Amazon. It was a really great buy. I think there was like 8 of them, so very affordable and very versatile to use. I am also including some ephemera. So here is a little banner with some hearts. Here are some balloons, very cute in the heart shaped and glittery. And then here is a heart that is a little bit glittery. And then here is this typewriter that says love, love, love. So I thought it was very cute, and it's in the same color palette. I actually went off of the ephemera color palette. That's how I picked my colors. And then there's this right here that says with love. And all of this ephemera came from this packet here that I've had in my stash for a while. I did get it from a D-stash. So here is the packet, and here are all of the dice, or the ephemera that is in that packet, but I only picked the ones that were related to Valentine's Day or had hearts on it. Here is the pocket, and it is all loaded up and ready to go. And like I mentioned before, I will have Michelle's tutorial listed down in the description below, and I hope that you really do give this a try. Like I said, it was really fun and easy to make. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye!